Hey, Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Today I have a little mini skid here to show you guys. This is a soft wash only. We have this thing appropriately priced as low as we can if you're looking to just get into soft wash and you're looking for something that's going to be a quality little skid. I think you might like this. Let's take a look. All right, here it is. This base here is going to be 41 inches by 48. So this will fit most small trucks. This particular one is getting picked up and heading out to Canada today. Customer drove all the way down to pick this up. We'll kind of just do an overview. You can see how everything is plumbed up, everything's clean, super high quality parts. We'll start over here at the heart of this system. This is going to be the Remco 5.3, and if you look at this, this is a dual control pump. So we're not using a cheap pump on these. A lot of times when somebody tries to build a budget lower cost type skid, cutting corners, that's one of the areas. You know, this is still going to have all of the same stuff that our workhorse skids have, the heavy duty, super expensive marine grade switch there, the aluminum plates. These are plate mounted pumps. Everything is mounted for quick changes. Going on over to the front here, you're still going to have a high quality mixer here with a rinse out valve system. Everything's plumbed up really nice. Nice block there, that's 3/4 going out into the pump. I'll back up here so you can get a better look at this. You got Flexzilla Garden, 100 feet there, and 200 feet of 1/2 inch soft wash hose. You're gonna get the stainless steel J-rod, you're gonna get the nice soft wash gun. The reels are all full frame aluminum. You either get Titan or our new Expert reels that are coming here soon. We're excited about those. Actually, it's supposed to be an upgrade over the Titans. These are stainless steel stacking kits. Again, this is an area where if you're trying to do something budget, people will use the regular steel ones or a powder coated version because they're about half the cost. These are 304 stainless. I'll back up here so you can get a better overview of this. Got the 7-gallon soap tank, battery box there. You have a 1-inch drain. The reason why we put a 1-inch drain on this one is if this is going into a small truck, you want to be able to dump your water out and dump it out quick, so you're not hauling around all that weight. You can use it for a hand wash station as well as something to fill buckets. So if you're interested in something like this, give us a call. We'd love to build you one. I think we have one base left currently. So the next person that orders one of these, we can get this out to you pretty quick. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video.